Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get instant 10 USDT on Trust Wallet. Alright, let's begin. First of all, you just need to copy your USDT wallet address and put it right here. Then tap on Start Now and your account will be created automatically. Now, this is the dashboard of the website. So scroll down and you will be able to see current balance and mining speed. Now, if you want to increase your mining speed, you can just watch an ad for 5 minutes and get the power of mining. Next, click here on upper left corner and then select Withdraw. Here inside Withdraw, you can enter the preferred amount. The minimum amount is something like 10 USDT, so make sure to remember that. Now you can start mining for absolutely free and withdraw directly to your wallet. So if you want to go get more, you can get the commission by inviting your friends. So that's basically how you can get instant 10 USDT on Trust Wallet. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.